Hey guys, I am going to share with you today what I did with lemon essential oil for 8 hours as I drove into Canada to do a speaking event teaching about essential oils. So enjoy, and you're going to learn a lot.
My essential oil stories, I have used it for um, like voice and vocal. So I am a singer and I will mix it with honey and put it in water for my voice, because if there's anything weird going on or funny going on in my system, I can get mucus buildup, and the lemon oil will help to thin the mucus. I used it very aggressively one time when I had to go do a speaking event, and I was driving 8 hours and going into Canada to do a speaking event, and I could tell I was starting to get like a laryngitis kind of thing, where I was going to be losing my voice from that stuff going on, that just like crud wanting to accumulate in my vocal cord area. So what I did is I used a very aggressive approach, and I would just, because I was driving, I would take the lid off. So I just drop a drop in my mouth. Okay. And super yummy. It's very strong, very potent. And then I would just drink my water as I needed to, just keep drinking and sipping on my water. Lemon oil can pull the petrochemical plastic out of the bottle, the plastic water bottle, and I do not want to drink that. What I do want it to do is pull that stuff out of my body, and so that I can flush it out. So I use glass or stainless steel when I use citrus oils in my water, and I just do like 1 or 2 drops. I also do put lemon essential oil in my water because, to our next point, it is very supportive of the liver. So our systems produce an antioxidant called glutathione.
What? Is she trying to talk about my gluteus maximus?
And your body produces it. Your body will literally produce this glutathione. It will produce it in your brain, in your liver, all different parts of your body. It will produce it itself.
Of course not. She's talking about glutathione, a compound involved as a coenzyme in oxidation reduction reaction in cells.
And when you support your body with certain things, it will support that natural process, because glutathione is our youthful antioxidant. So as we age, our body will create less and less and less and less glutathione. Turning 40 this year, so I'm actually really excited about it.
Thank you, glutathione, for helping me look young.
There's literally so much that I could talk about with lemon oil. I could go on forever, so I'm going to try to keep it really short and tell you all the important things that are most common to people. First of all, doTERRA's lemon essential oil is cold pressed, expressed from the rind, and it takes 3,000 lemons to produce a kilo of the essential oil. And on the bottle, you will see right under the label where it says doTERRA lemon, you will see it says essential oil supplement facts. There's like a, and that indicates that the FDA has allowed us to label it as safe for internal use. It is a photosensitivity warning on lemon essential oil to avoid sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying the product.
Photosensitivity is no joke. It's an extreme sensitivity to ultraviolet rays from the sun and other light sources.
And some people that might be sensitive should dilute with fractionated coconut oil. I've never had to dilute it personally, just letting you know, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. It doesn't make it work any less. It just helps the absorption into the skin be a little bit slower, so it's more gentler on the skin and the system. It helps it to not flash off the skin, because they are volatile aromatic compounds, they can just evaporate very quickly. So the carrier oil helps with keeping it on your skin longer. Lemon is one of our essential oils that we love in the springtime when we have itchy, runny nose and watery eyes and sneezing and all that kind of thing. If you mix 2 drops of lemon, 2 drops of lavender, 2 drops of peppermint into a shot glass of water and take that in the morning, and you can take it more times throughout the day. Lemon oil is great in the diffuser. Lemon oil supports healthy blood pressure. It can help with bites or stings. It can help with anxious feelings. Very supportive for the brain and concentration. For pets, here is a recipe you can use for pets. And shake it before each use. And then you spritz it on your pet, but you would avoid their eyes and you would avoid their ears. You know, like spray it on the back part of them, and you could put it on their paws and on their feet and around their feet and leg area. I would love to hear from you, your stories that you have come up with for doTERRA lemon essential oil. I think it's $10 wholesale, maybe $13 retail, something like that, but I can show you how to get your own discount account where you can get a discount on your essential oils and get perks and points back for your shipping, etc., etc. So be sure to subscribe and check out my website. In the description, you'll find some links. So take care, and just remember, it's not weird if it works.